Nike has recently announced its very own digital trading platform called Swoosh, which is basically an NFT marketplace where fans can buy branded, virtual merch, but it might not be as good as it sounds due to Nike owning the user's design. This isn't Nike's first foray into the metaverse or Web3, but is this one that'll finally succeed? Let's dive in. Okay, so what are Nike's previous NFT projects? In case it isn't already obvious, Swoosh isn't Nike's first foray into the NFT space. For the past few years, Nike has been a brand that has been heavily associated with popular games and events such as Fortnite and Roblox, where Nike was known for its virtual merchandise drops. Users would dress up their avatar with Nike apparel and even purchase these products in virtual stores. This created a form of digital ambassador who was walking around in Nike gear. It's clear that Nike is leading the charge when it comes to brands making money from NFTs. But what is the point of Swoosh? The idea behind Swoosh is to provide a platform where fans can create their own virtual creations that they can then trade or sell to other users. While this might sound like a great idea at first, there is a catch. Any user content uploaded onto Swoosh will still be owned by Nike, meaning that the brand can ultimately benefit from any creations made. Okay, let's talk about how Nike is light on the details. So while Swoosh might be an exciting concept from Nike, the actual details are still somewhat vague. We know that it's a virtual merchandise marketplace, but there are no specifics on how users can actually monetize their content or the rules regarding ownership of user designs. There's also no indication as to when the platform will launch and whether it'll be available worldwide. All we know for certain is that it will launch sometime in January 2023. Ultimately, Nike's lack of detail about Swoosh has left many fans with more questions than answers. It remains to be seen whether the platform can provide a legitimate way for fans to monetize their creations or if it will simply be another avenue for Nike to profit from its users' creations. Collaboration is supposed to be the name of the game when it comes to Swoosh. This is why they came up with the literal tagline of "It's not you, it's us." Nike wants to foster an environment where collaboration between creators and the brand is the norm. However, we still don't know many of the specifics about how this collaboration will work. Will there be a reward system for users who create content? Will there be revenue sharing or royalty payments? How will intellectual property rights be protected? All these questions remain unanswered at the moment, leaving many with a sense of uncertainty. Is this really just a rebranded NFT marketplace? NFTs are a dirty word at the moment with the crypto crash and the tough spot the online market is in right now. But is this project really just an NFT marketplace? Well, yes and no. While Swoosh does provide a platform for users to buy and sell NFTs, there are also elements of collaboration and creating unique and interesting digital content. This is the distinguishing factor that sets it apart from other NFT marketplaces. Whether this will be enough to make it stand out in the crowd remains to be seen. The super long bear market of 2022 has seen the NFT craze die down and brands distancing themselves from the acronym. Nike's virtual creations platform is a rebranded NFT marketplace designed to capitalize on user designs and monetize them in a way that benefits the brand. Though it might sound like a good idea, there are many questions still unanswered, such as how collaboration works, what kind of reward systems exist, and what will be done to protect IP rights. It remains to be seen whether this project will succeed or fail. But one thing is for sure, Nike is leading the charge when it comes to brands making money from NFTs, or is at least aiming to be. And with places like Reddit rebranding their NFT markets to other names in order to avoid some of the negative connotations, it's no wonder Nike has taken a similar approach. It's clear that the company wants to be at the forefront of this new digital marketplace, but they don't want the name of NFT associated with the project. Still, it's increasingly clear that this is what the project is, seeing as the term NFT is buried 9 times in the terms and conditions. Only time will tell if this project succeeds. But right now, it's looking like Nike will have to do some heavy work to make sure its Swoosh platform doesn't get caught up in the same scandals and scams that have been tarnishing the name of NFTs. The media branding of Swoosh is that it's similar to NFTs, but in reality, it is an NFT marketplace. Nike's rebranding of the concept is a smart move and may help to reduce some of the bad press associated with NFTs. Oh, it's also going to be super hard to earn money. Royalties are available through this platform, but let's talk about the fact that you can basically not make money with this. Nike is clear in its terms and conditions that Swoosh purchases are for consumptive use or personal collections only and have no expectation of economic benefit or profit by holding these digital collectibles. So, it seems like you're better off just collecting your virtual creations than trying to make money from them. This could be a good thing if it encourages more creativity without the pressure of making a quick buck. But on the flip side, it makes Swoosh more of a passing trend than something that will really take off over time. At the end of the day, Nike's virtual creations platform platform looks to be an interesting concept, but it remains to be seen if it will succeed where other NFT projects have failed. It's clear that Nike has made some smart moves by rebranding and emphasizing collaboration, but ultimately it will come down to the details of how it works that will determine if Swoosh is a hit or miss. Swoosh just doesn't offer much overall. Although it's built on the Polygon network, Swoosh doesn't even offer the ability to transfer your NFTs to a crypto wallet of your choice. Even if Nike does eventually offer third-party wallet compatibility, it's important to remember that not all blockchains are compatible with each other, so users will have to be careful when sending their digital collectibles between networks. Ultimately, the lack of features and ease of use makes Swoosh seem more like a passing trend than a real-world use case. It feels as though Nike has glossed over the details in favor of flashy visuals and media buzzwords. But when it comes down to it, there is really nothing unique or revolutionary about Swoosh. So if you're looking for an easy way to make money off collecting virtual products, this is not the platform for you. Nike is, however, making by far the most money from NFTs. Despite the pretty sketchy project that Swoosh is shaping up to be, Nike is still leading in terms of brands making money from NFTs. According to a recent report, Nike has made over $185 million in revenues from its NFT ventures, more than any other brand. This is largely due to their acquisition of RTFKT, which already had a strong track record in the space, and their Clone X collection, which accounted for more than 40% of Nike's royalties. It's clear that Nike is taking full advantage of the NFT boom and capitalizing on the attention it's been receiving. While some other brands may have shied away due to the bad press it received during the crypto crash of 2022, Nike has stayed true to the vision and continues to be one of the top earners when it comes to NFTs. This is something that definitely needs to be taken into consideration, seeing as Nike has had vibrant success with their previous crypto projects, and this may indicate that they'll have continued success with the NFT universe, despite wanting to detach their brand from that term. Okay, let's sum it up. Nike's Virtual Creations project is still shrouded in mystery, but there are a few things we know for sure. It will launch sometime in January 2023. Royalties are available through this platform, but not from selling the products. Collaboration is supposed to be the name of the game, and Nike is making by far the most money from NFTs. While it's unclear whether Swoosh will succeed in becoming a revolutionary NFT platform, it's evident that Nike is leading the charge when it comes to brands making money from digital collectibles. Nike has been a leader in creating virtual merchandise for popular video games and events, as well as being an early investor in the metaverse. This early move into online worlds has allowed Nike to capitalize on the current NFT craze and make more money than any other brand from digital collectibles. Overall, Swoosh might be a good investment, or it might be another cash grab by a big brand that's built to generate even more money. What do you think? Go ahead and leave a comment below. Subscribe if you haven't already, share and like the video with your friends, and thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.